Hello, beautiful, brilliant, divine human. Thank you for pressing play and being here with us today. Congratulations on making it to day 10. If you are on day 10 of our fun game we are playing with you here, of being the divine human that you are, turned all the way on to your power, to your light, to your magic, to your truth, which hopefully at this point you are seeing it's really just you easily and effortlessly living as you, being and embodying the divinity that you are. Because ultimately, that is the key. That is the way. And we want today to help you take this beyond this 11 days. We know this is day 10, and we want you to go beyond when this ends. So we're going to help you connect into your source, which is just funny to us because you are source. So you're just connecting and plugging into you. But right now, we want to bring through a few truths for you. First of all, actually, we should let you know, in case you're new here and this is the first time that you have joined us on this journey on the Divinely Aligned channel, and you are just discovering this game that we are playing of being a divine human turned on, we want you to know that you're finding this at the right time. So listen to this, play, create with us, and then there's 9 other days of this. So go back to day 1 and go on the journey. We dare you. But stay here for now. There is no right or wrong way to do this, because the ultimate reason and goal of this mission that we're bringing through Cortnie is for you to just play in the unknown. It's just to play. That's what you're here to do. As a divine human that you are, you're here to play and create from your 0 point. From your 0 point, there's a reason that we call ourselves 0. By the way, we are 0. We come through Cortnie. We are source consciousness, and we come through her specifically to remind you of the fact that you are free and that you have a space, a place within your humanness that is your 0 point of creation. And we aren't going to tell you exactly where that is within you, other than the fact that it is accessible when you are here in the stillness. Now, yes, we bring through connecting into your sacred heart and moving into the portal and being in the 0 point of creation, but you may feel it in your foot. There's no right or wrong way. What truly matters is that you are there, present and feeling. We want to eliminate as many rules as we can as to how you be you, because there are so many opinions. And yes, maybe logically, there's things that make sense as to where your 0 point of creation may be and where your sacred heart is and all of these things. Yes, there is. And within your energetic body, and a lot of you have a lot of wisdom and knowledge, and whatever resonates is true for you, follow that. But we really want you to understand going forward that every single one of you here, especially if you're on day 10 of this journey, every single one of you is here with a soul contract, as we keep telling you. And you are here with light codes within you that have not been experienced on earth. And you are here to bring through what doesn't exist yet. So you are here to be expanded and ignited and excited by other people's opinions and ideas and experiences. And things will activate and awaken in you as they're designed to. But that's also, you can then be the sovereign soul that you are and discern from them what you're here to create, because you're here to create and birth what doesn't exist yet, through having fun, through being free, through creating and living and loving a life, the life that you're living. That's all you have to do, but you have to love you, because you can't live a life you love without loving you. That wouldn't make sense. Even to your logical mind, that can't make sense, right? You can have all the things, the perfect relationship, the overflowing bank account, all the cars and houses and whatever it is. But if you aren't happy here now, what truly matters? Honestly, friends, it's not about the things. It's about the now. And whatever in the now you are choosing because it brings joy and excitement and ignitement to you. That's why you humans do everything you do. It's to not feel pain and to feel more pleasure. It's to be loved and feel like you belong. and not feel rejected and abandoned. But what happens is on the human journey, when you're too little to know better, you create the ways you need to be loved, to belong. And you learn the ways to resist and avoid and numb and run from the pain and seeking and searching for the pleasure. Correct? And so you're constantly on the go, trying to be anywhere other than where you are. But where you are is the only place you're meant to be. And when you're here and you're choosing to be the divine human you are, and you're living limitlessly, you're free. Every now moment, you have everything you need. And in the now moment, you will be led and guided to more things that will expand and excite and ignite more codes within you that are here to be experienced through your expression, through your creation, through your manifestation. Everything starts in imagination. You're here to bring the invisible visible. So when you are envisioning and imagining, as we've had you do on this journey, your dream identity and reality and all the things, but then it's been in living it. So today we want to make it really clear. We've been here to activate you and give you missions very mildly. If you're in Superconscious Mastery or any of the other containers that Courtney's brought through, it's a little bit more intense in ways, but we just want you to be living this. That's all we're ever doing through Courtney, is activating and awakening you to live. Not just come to YouTube to numb and run and avoid from what you don't want to deal with, to have someone on YouTube tell you what to do. We want you to be living as the divine human that you are, expressing and creating as you feel called to, because that's how you're designed to be. And we're here to remind you of that, as we've told you many times. But in case you're new here, in case you missed it, we have a soul contract with you. And we're here to come through Courtney to remind you of your soul contract. And the more that you choose to be the you that is free, that is living limitlessly, that is tapped and tuned and connected in the now, you will be turned on. But you have to choose that. You're the only one that can turn on your light. So when you spend every day numbing and running and avoiding and trying to figure out and fix, and like, there's so many ways that you humans can trick yourselves into thinking, especially the spiritual ego, that you're turned on and you're being who you're here to be. You can think about it all you want. Doesn't matter. Think about all the things you're going to create and think about all the things you have. We just want you to live and create in the now and allow the magic to flow through you, because that is truly how you're free. And that is how you're designed to be. Are we making ourselves clear? We want you today to have the most fun ever. The most fun ever. So we want right now to plug you in. We want to plug you into the source. We want to plug you into you so you can turn yourself on, so that you can go and beam your light so bright that you can't not be seen by who and what is meant to see you, and then receive all the miracles and magic from that. You in? You ready? Okay. So, first step is breathing. Fully, completely in and out of your being, placing your hands over your heart. Just breathing and being here, fully expanding on the inhales. Fully releasing on the exhales. Doing this for at least 3 rounds. Breathing and feeling, allowing, receiving, expanding, surrendering into all that is, which is you, the all-knowing, all-powerful you here in this moment, right now. And as you breathe and you feel here, bring your inner gaze to the space between your brows. As you gaze to the space between your brows, we want you to bring your awareness to your heart. Feel into your heart. Feel your heart breathing. Feel it expand on every inhale and soften on every exhale. And just breathe and feel and connect into your heart. And then gaze to your third eye. And as you gaze to your third eye, envision, imagine, know that light is streaming down through your crown, pouring into you, overflowing through your heart, feeling your heart overflow through your whole being, activating and awakening all the codes needed to come online right now at this divine time. And then feel as you breathe as this light expands out of you. Breathing and feeling nothing but light now. Just feel all of the light that you are. Feel the light expanding through the universe and beyond. As you feel and breathe here, envision, imagine a lamp. Just imagine, envision a lamp, a light. Maybe look at one if you need to. And then envision and imagine and see that this light needs to be plugged in. And plugging this light in to the light, to the source that is all around it, to the light that you are seeing. And then see this light inside the light shining so bright. And see and feel all of the light now that you have ignited. And see and feel and know that you are this light, you have plugged into the light. And as you see and feel and know that you are this light, imagine, envision, feel all of this light pouring down through your crown into your humanness, activating and awakening even more light within you, pouring, overflowing through your heart, exciting and igniting everything within you. Feeling your light, your frequency, your energy, your vibration, your consciousness at a higher level than ever before. And just receive. Hana katakatayo. Shawa shawa shai. Hoana. Iana katakatayo. Halama katakataya. Yoana shawa shasakatai. Hoana katakatayo. Awana katakataya. Ho. Awa. Hawa hai. Kawa katakatai. Kawa katakatai. Hoana. Hawa. Ya. Hoa. Hoa. Shawai. And just see and feel and receive all of the light now streaming into all that is. Just feel as your light and all the light unite. Feel yourself in the center of it all as the creator that you are. See and feel yourself as the brightest light in all the light. Just see and feel and imagine and envision all that you are now here to create, knowing that you are free, that you are a divine human, living limitlessly, all knowing, just enjoying this journey, knowing you are daily, in every moment you choose to be present, rewarded and supported and loved by the divine and beyond. There is nothing you have to do. You are here to just be and feel and create and express yourself limitlessly, boundlessly, effortlessly, easily. The easiest thing for you to do is be you. We promise you. And all you have to do is stop resisting your divinity, your reality. See it for what it is through the eyes of your superconscious mind. Bring your consciousness to it. Alchemize it. Create, play, have fun. You are free. Repeating in your head or out loud. I devote to being the limitless me in every now moment. Choosing the highest frequency choice. Following the energy. Co-creating with Source. Living in harmony with my divinity and my humanness. Knowing I am a super conscious being here to create, alchemize, and channel just through being me. I am free. Breathe into the truth. And then repeating after us again. Source, please bring me the magic and miracles you know I need today to live a life beyond my wildest dreams. I am open and ready to receive. I know you know what I need. I know I am worthy. Let me know through resonance when the miracles and magic are from you. Thank you. Bringing the biggest smile possible to your face, excited for all the magic and miracles on their way to you today. And all you have to do is play. Play here as the creator that you are in the frequency that you want to embody, being the miracle, being the magic, and receiving more. You are worthy. You are worthy. You can blink your gaze open when you're ready. Now all you got to go and do is receive, play, create. You are plugged in. You are turned on. So now go and be the light that you are. We love you.